How do you find off-base housing as a military family? Imagine moving to a new city and wondering where to live that fits your family's needs. Finding off-base housing can seem overwhelming at first, but there are clear steps to make it easier. First, your military pay includes a basic allowance for housing, or BA, which helps cover rent and utilities. The amount depends on your rank, family size, and the location of your duty station. Knowing your BA is key because it sets your budget for off-base options. Next, reach out to your installation's housing services office. They are there to help with off-base housing info, including listings of available rentals nearby. They can give you maps, neighborhood details, and explain your tenant rights under the Service Members Civil Relief Act. Some bases also participate in a rental partnership program. This program encourages local landlords to offer discounts or flexible lease terms to military families. It can make finding affordable housing much easier. When researching, look at the local housing market. Check out homes, apartments, or townhomes close to your base. Think about commute times, school districts, safety, and nearby amenities. Living off base often gives you more choices and space, so take your time to find a place that fits your lifestyle. When you find a potential rental, make sure your lease includes a military clause. This clause allows you to break your lease without penalty if you get new permanent change of station orders. It's a safety net for future moves. If you arrive before securing permanent housing, consider temporary options like on-base temporary lodging, extended stay hotels, or temporary lodging allowance. These options give you a comfortable place to stay while you settle in. If you're thinking about buying a home off base, many housing offices hold workshops. These sessions teach you how to use your BA for mortgage payments and what to expect in the local real estate market. Living off base offers more privacy and space, plus the chance to become part of a local community. Using your installation's resources and understanding your benefits will help you find the right home smoothly. Remember, planning ahead and asking questions makes the process much easier and less stressful.